Good day everyone! Zoe here of Motorcycle Republic, and today for breakfast ride natin, pupunta tayo ng Casa Celina. Mga approximately 28 kilometers away from here dito sa Moto Market. Galing ako ng Bacoor, going dito sa meetup namin sa Eton, Santa Rosa. So around 20 riders yata ang nag-sign up today, and this is hosted by our very diligent na ride director, si Sir Hermie. Maybe we can get some words from him later. So yun, makinig tayo ng briefing, tapos ride out. See you there.
Hi, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Moto Market, Santa Rosa, and we're going for a ride today to Casa Celina. This is in Tagaytay. We make it a point to go there probably every 3 months or 6 months kasi it's a very fulfilling Filipino food for everyone. We're about to gear up para doon sa mga naghahanap na mapapasyalan sa Tagaytay. This is one of those places na it's very nice to visit. Thank you.
Never sleep in traffic.
Bye!
Just living steady penny. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits. Just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need to get your bills paid. That's what you said. I guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Know it might be hard cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect.
Sa wakas, hindi na fake yung temperature. Dati, Tagaytay, pero mainit pa rin. Ayan. Malamig na.
Mga after an hour or less than an hour nandito na kami.
Ideal weather. Sobrang sarap ng ride. So ito na yung parking niya, malawak. Lupa siya and graba. So ewan ko lang kung pag umuulan to is medyo parang hindi siya ganun ka motorcycle friendly.
Pag umulan dito, basa.
Slippery when wet. Pasok tayo sa loob.
Hi, good morning. This is JR of Motor Republic. May weekend ride tayo ngayon dito sa Casa Celina. Nag-straight to venue na ako dito from Marikina. Nakakotse kasi ako, kasama ko yung family ko for weekend bonding na rin. Nag-try nga pala ako ng kanilang Filipino breakfast, yung mga silog. Actually, kinuha ko top silog. Ayun, tignan natin kung sarap.
Hi, good morning po. Ako po si Benson De Lunas. Welcome po sa Motorcycle Republic. Meron po kami mga breakfast dito. Meron din po kami dito sa main course, sa mga bulalo, krispata, sisig, at marami pa pong iba. Tapos po, this coming next week, sir, bubuksan po natin itong Casa Celina Inihaw Grande. Sa ngayon po, western food pa tayo. Pero next week, sir, magkakaroon tayo ng lobster, sugpo, lapu-lapu, maya-maya, pampano. Meron din po tayong crab. Inimbitahan ko po kayo na bumisita kayo dito po sa may Casa Celina, Tagaytay City. Maraming pong salamat.
Malutong, masarap.
Hello, I'm Roel. I'm from Quezon City, and this is my first time to join them. We rode to Casa Celina, Tagaytay. The ride was very nice. The people were welcoming and accommodating. Walang iwanan. Tagaan and it's very safe. Everyone is connected through their intercom, so may mga warnings pagka may mga hazard sa daan.
If you like mga antique decor style na restaurant, I would recommend itong Casa Selina dito sa may Tagaytay. And if you're around Metro Manila, home by lunch ka pag nag-ride ka dito.
Motorcycle Republic! Like, share, subscribe!